Alright, so today is December 23rd, 2022, and as you can see by my watch, it's currently negative 4 degrees out. It's actually warmed up considerably over the past day. We're in a blizzard warning right now, and I guess the camera kind of clears it up actually, but this drift wasn't here last night. And there's my garage door. Great. You might be asking, what am I doing out here? Well, I'm gonna try to grill some pork chops today. The thing's wrapped around backwards. It's so cold out. You guys, I can hardly talk. It's so windy out here. Last time, this was actually frozen shut. Well, let's try to get this thing going, I guess. Just throw that right there. Now we're gonna take the plates that are out. I should have wore a face mask out here, man. Bad choices was made. Still got time to figure it out here. I'm gonna get this charcoal kind of stirred up because we got the soot in the bottom. Alright, that's good. I made a mistake. I put my torch outside, so I don't know if it's gonna be warm enough to do anything or not. There it is. We got fire, boys. How dumb am I? Oh, I want pork chops. Let's go out in a blizzard. Let's go out in a blizzard and grill some pork chops. Smart. I wasn't even pulling it. You guys, I wasn't even pulling the trigger on that. Alright, let's go in the garage and get some paper for a charcoal chimney. Oh man. Alright, you guys are still recording, that's good. Alright you guys, we're gonna do a charcoal chimney. I'm gonna throw some of this cardboard underneath. Let's hope this lights up. Oh my goodness. You know, it actually warmed up a little bit today. Negative 4. Not as bad today. All right, there we go. Oh baby, come on, you got this. Woo! You got smoke? You got fire? Oh, holy smokes. Holy. Look at this, guys. Oh. How stupid am I? Comment down below. Oh, you know what? We got some hot charcoal there. Oh, that's a good sign. All right. With today's pork chops, we're going to be using hickory wood, just one chunk. that down in. We'll let that warm up some more. All right, let's go in, get the pork chops seasoned, and bring them back out. All right, everybody, we made it back outside. Still really bad out here, but we got our charcoal going pretty good. All right. We're gonna be doing these direct today, just to get them done. Just to get this over with. I need to warm this lid up, but it's not turning for me. Oh, that works. Okay, perfect. That's good. Yeah, this one here is not turning. And then the bottom set, probably fine right there. So I'm looking at the footage. This is not picking up on camera very good at all. But maybe I can zoom onto that field. You guys can see. I mean, there's some pretty high winds here. Oh, look at that temp climbing already. Come on, maybe focus here. Focus on the job at hand. There we go. All right, here's what we got for the steaks. Well, chops. These are chops. 3 pork chops. Did it pretty simple. Salt, pepper, and garlic. Go for the shots, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh, the camera won't even stay up. Oh, this is bad. Why did I do this, man? Dude, my pork chops, they're freezing. Oh, no. Okay, we're still good. We're still good. We're still good. Oh, yeah. Look at that. You guys, I don't know if it gets much better than that. Grilling in a blizzard. December 23rd, 2022. Oh, man. That is freaking awesome, man. Let those cook for a bit here. Oh, you guys. Doesn't get any better than this, man. Oh, I'm having fun with this. You know, just because it's winter, you guys, it really doesn't mean you gotta stop grilling, right? Are you hungry? Yes. Well, then you need to grill. Start grilling in the winter. Don't make excuses. Look at this. We are at 400 degrees almost. Just a bit higher than we predicted. That's okay. But we are ready to flip these, I'm sure of that. Oh, look at that beauty. Whew. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look just to make sure. Oh, wow. Wow. It does not get better than that. Oh, we almost lost one. Almost freaking lost one. Okay, that one's a little bit behind schedule there. That's okay. We're gonna char them on that left-hand side, and after that, move them to the right-hand side to finish them off up to temperature. Right back up we go. Just a climbing. Man, it's -4 outside, but the green egg is just hammering this thing down. Not even a challenge. Oh, you guys, this is freaking brutal. These pork chops are almost done. Oh my goodness. Check out my thermal pen. -6, -5. Jesus. All right, let's temp these things out and get them off. They are almost done. Oh, look at those freaking things. Holy smokes. That is so nice. All right, let's just put in the garage here quick. Warm up just a bit. Comment down below, have any of you went outside in negative temperatures during a blizzard and grilled pork chops of all things? Let me know. All right, everybody, here's the finished product. And as you can see, it turned out just freaking perfect. We transferred it to a different plate because the one we brought it in on still has snow on it melting. Anyways, if you guys liked what you've seen, feel free to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.